Most users don't concern themselves with providing documentation for a work, but if you want to let someone know something which may be unusual in the worksheet, or how a data is stored, or how a formula works, then this would come in useful. Comments can be added to any cell. Whilst not generally displayed on the worksheet, if you need to, you can display them. So say for example the number 2 in cell G isn't final, or you're unsure about it, and your colleague makes the final decision on the final numbers. You might want to add a comment to this cell. If you're using the menu system, you might choose New Comment in the Review tab. There's also a shortcut, keystroke shortcut, Shift F2. So you can add a comment. You'll see your name and then you can type whatever you choose to type. You could type something like "See Jennifer" regarding the accuracy of this number. When you click outside this, it disappears. In the cell at the top right hand corner is a red triangle. Whenever you slide over a cell with a comment, you'll see the comment there. If there are a number of these, then you might want to see them and print them out eventually. We could right click on the cell and show Hide Comments and make it visible. If the comments were overlapping other data, then we could point to the edge and drag it either way to display it a little differently. But now it's constantly visible until we decide to hide it. If there's a comment elsewhere, we can press F2. It will add a comment here, such as "Check with Max" of last year's data. So you can add or hide these comments, one by one or all of them at the same time. In the Review tab, you can show all comments or show again to hide them. It's a useful handy tool to have, especially to help others who might be using this worksheet to understand what's going on. The red triangle won't show up on the printout, by the way. So think of this as a potential source of documentation and a way to help others use this worksheet more efficiently.